What's up, guys? Today we're in the middle of the Black Sea. We're in the middle of East Fork Lake going crappie fishing. Gary's got a great whale. Oh my. Catching them back to back, baby. Got him. Gosh, he's smoking them. He's smoking them. So we're pulling up to our first coordinates. We had some luck here last weekend, so we're gonna see if we can pull it off again today. What coordinate do you want to use? This one? Yeah. There's our coordinates. Gary and I are each fishing with an open bail and
cane pole.
So guys, the rig we're using today is a slip bobber with a bobber stopper to control our depths. And I'm gonna go to about 10 foot and see what that gets us. We're in 22 feet of water. I probably should go lower than that, but we're gonna go down a couple feet at a time. See what happens. Find that sweet spot, you know? The weather is 49 degrees at this current moment. The wind is blowing. The water temperature is 61 degrees, which is perfect for crappie spawning. Today, guys, we're fishing with live minnows. And Gary has a 1 crappie head start.
Uh-oh.
Because I'm always late. I'm always late.
Through the dorsal fin, right behind it, leaves your minnow with all kinds of action. So get out there and get on a fish's face.
Now, guys, these cane poles are really cool. You can try to pronounce it for yourself. Gary gifted me this. And he's got a fish. Oh man. Looks like he's got a 2-point lead too.
Perhaps.
Oh, bumbo. Damn, I got one too.
Up. Things are happening.
Yep, every time.
Oh yeah.
That's not a crappie at all. White bass with some sharp ass razor fins. And you didn't get my minnow, bitch. But Gary, on the other hand, has a keeper.
Maybe.
You're fishing at 12 foot with that?
I'll have to look at it and see again. Let's see what this means.
Let's see if Gary has a keeper. Oh, look at that.
Right to the 9. Stand up straight.
9 inches
We're calling
is the legal crappie length. Gary, 2-0 lead. But as I was saying, these cane poles are awesome. They have a built-in reel with fire line on there. That's what it's called, right? Fire line?
I put that on there.
Gary put fire line on there. And that's some strong, it's made out of carbon fiber wolf fur. See the cane pole rig? Just your simple sinker. Oh, he's trying to escape. I don't know what size hooks we're using. They're like as big as your pinky nail. Crappies have decent sized mouths. This one's gonna swim upside down. We'll see how that works.
And the reason for the gold Aberdeen hooks is that they're soft. And if you get hung up, pull hard enough on that fire line, it'll straighten that hook right out.
With the bobber set up, I'm gonna start out fishing about 6 foot deep, but we'll probably have to go deeper. The water right here is 22 feet deep. Well, maybe the crappie want to be up here this morning enjoying the sunshine. We're gonna find out. This is our first fishing video, so I hope you guys enjoy it and it isn't too bad.
This chilly weather might have turned them off a little bit. Oh. Spoke too soon. Real.
Well, we missed the first one. I missed the first one. And I lost my bait.
Damn!
Oh. Holy shit.
Way out in the middle of the lake.
Gary's got a great
It's a
whale.
SLAB.
Oh my goodness, that is a slab.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Oh,
this is what we're after. Slide your big ass in there. Oh, it's
Look
a
at
10-incher. That's what we're talking about.
that's a 10-incher and a 3-point lead.
You know, I used to have a divider in here that bolted here and separated one side from the other. The sad part is your side would be empty.
Yeah.
Oh,
Got action everywhere. Action Bronson. Bam! Oh my gosh, he's
get
smoking
in this
him.
boat, you
He's
slab
smoking.
monster.
Well, at least one of us is catching him.
That's what we're talking about right there. Look at that. Creek life.
6 Gary's fish. 6 fish in live well.
I'm getting smoked.
Got one.
Get up here, baby! The first cane pole catch. Man.
Gotta keep her there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. One Chad fish. So we're at about 9 3/4. Not bad at all.
1 Chad's fish. 7 fish in live well.
I want to show you guys this clinch knot tool. It's totally awesome. Gary gave me this also.
Yeah, well, it was your birthday.
Yeah, birthday gifts, baby. Did not do nothing special to get them. Watch how quick this is. That's all there is to it.
Yeah, that sucker almost made my pole in the water. I would have not been happy. Back into the
That makes it so much easier to do in the wind. Don't have to fight with a knot. This thing will hold it for you. Look these up, the clinch knot tool. I'll post a link in the description. How about that?
grab a hold of this.
Oh, son of a bitch.
Did the lively minnow finally get out there and do something?
Oh yeah, he's a keeper.
Yeah. Okay, this one's yeah, this much bigger.
Let's try way out there, see what happens. Go for that long range. Go for that long range.
Shoot. He scores. Oh, yeah. It's another keeper.
Perfect hook job. Perfect. That shows you these hooks aren't too small.
Hand fish in live well.
7-3 is what we have now. What time is it? We started about, or I started at about 10:30. It is now 1:11. Can't believe it's 1:11.
Yeah.
So we must start about 11 o'clock. Turned out to be a beautiful day though, that's for sure. Nice scenery, everything's greening up.
Cane pole.
Missed it. At least I didn't yank it out of the water up to the fucking moon. I'm getting the hang of the cane pole, folks.
That's so that's a cane pole. Get it.
We're taller than we was. I can't see the line. Oh, this cane pole shit. I can't see the string, dude.
Yeah, baby. That's much trouble. Oh, he's catching up.
He's coming back like he left something.
5 Chad's fish. 12 fish in live well.
Uh-oh. It's only 5 to 7.
Yeah. He's catching up.
Oh, no.
Still got a minnow on there?
Nope. He sucked her off. Oh, shit.
Man, that thing is cool.
Yeah, it was. We're catching them back to back, baby. If he don't get away.
Oh.
Woo! Woo!
Here you go.
Could it be? Nope. The damn bass.
Towards the back end of the boat. Oh.
That's a tie. Tie ball game, boys. Gary probably ain't even got minnows on his hooks. That way I can catch up.
I've been fishing with dead minnows for
Bam.
2 hours now. All right. But I don't feel bad now. See,
What's the score, Gary?
you got 7 fish to clean,
7 Chad's fish. 14 fish in live well.
and I got 7 fish to clean. Now you're taking yours home with.
Oh. How does that even Oh my God.
I think that's my mom's doing. She didn't
Yeah.
teach you to
Yeah.
tie them out.
No shit.
Wham, bam, thank you, man. So are you putting your pole up then? Oh. Looks like there might be somebody over there on that.
All right, guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. All the equipment we use will be linked in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Creek Live, baby. Peace.
Amen.
Say Creek Live, baby.
Creek life, baby.